In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do a factory reset on the Palo Alto Firewall using SSH. Hi, my name is Ricardo, and for this video I'm gonna be using the SSH client called SuperBooty. So now I'm connected to my file using SSH, and before we enter the maintenance mode to set the file to factory defaults, we are gonna enter the command show system. I'm gonna show you why. Info. Here we need to copy the serial number of the file. Just gonna copy this and save on somewhere on my computer, because I'm gonna need this later on, okay? So here I can press Q. Now we're gonna restart the file in maintenance mode, and for that we need the command debug. I'm gonna press tab. It's gonna do the autofilling. If after the command I have a space, I can press the tab again, and it's gonna show me all the commands that are possible after the debug command. So it's a lot. We're looking for system. So I'm going to press Q. And now start with the SYS. Press tab. Now it shows me the possible commands that start with SYS. And we're looking for system. So I'm pressing the T and then a tab again. And this is the only command that starts with syst. And the last one is maintenance mode. I'm going to press tab again. You're going to see the possible ones. We're looking for the maintenance mode. So tab. And then we press enter. Ask you if you're sure what you're doing. I'm gonna press yes. And the file is gonna restart. You're gonna lose the connection to the file, of course. We wait a little bit and then we connect to the file. So the file is reachable again. So I'm gonna try to log in as admin. But then in this case, the file shows the following message. The system is in maintenance mode. Connect via serial console or with the user maint. We're going to try again with the user maint. I'm going to close this session and open a new one. Now we're going to enter the user maint. And the password for the user maint is the serial number that we copied. It's the serial number from the file. I'm going to just paste it here. You won't be able to see, but I just pasted it. I'm going to press enter. And then we are in maintenance mode. Before we press continue, I'm going to show you what it looks like through the console. So if I switch here to serial and I enter my console is COM4. So in the console, I'm already in the maintenance mode, but we're going to do this using the SSH. So I'm going to go back to the SSH session. The advantage from the console is that you don't need to enter any serial number from the file. There's no login, you enter directly in the maintenance mode. But we're going to do this using SSH. So press continue, I'm going to press enter. Then I get this screen. And if I go down to factory reset and press enter, it shows me a warning. And I go down and I can go directly to factory reset. And then I'm going to press enter. Now the file is going to do its magic and reset to its factory default. It takes a while. Just be aware of one thing. When the file does its factory reset, probably not going to have the same IP address as you had before. It's going to have the IP address 192.168.1.1. So just be aware that maybe or probably after the reset, you won't be able to access the file again using SSH. So in the end of the console, it came the question if I wanted to exit the zero-touch provisioning mode and configure the file in standard mode. The default is no. I didn't do anything. It should just enter the zero-touch provisioning mode. So after a long time trying to connect to ZTP or the zero-touch provisioning, the file gives up and you can access the file again using the IP address 192.168.1.1, which is the default IP address from the file. Of course, you need to configure a network so that you can reach this IP address. I have on my computer now, I'm directly connected and I have the IP address 192.168.1.2. So I can log in as admin. And the default password is also admin. With version 9 and older, you need to change the password with the first login. So I'm going to enter admin again, and I'm going to enter a new password. Confirm the new password. And there you go. So it says here also operational command to disable ZTP and switch to standard mode. I'm going to enter this command now. And it's gonna cause a system reboot. I don't mind, and I press yes. And then the system is gonna reboot again. Thank you guys for watching the video to the end. I hope you got some value from the video today. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And maybe this video here can help you further with the Palo Alto configuration. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.